St. Mary's Church, Nun Monkton? Did you know that St. Mary's Church, Nun Monkton in Nun Monkton, England, restored by John Wilson Walton-Wilson, contains a pulpit carved by Robert Beall? Conservation in Indonesia. Did you know that conservation in Indonesia had little local support after independence because it was associated with the Dutch East Indies? Maria Vetrova. Did you know that Maria Vetrova's self-immolation provoked student protests in St. Petersburg, Moscow and Kiev? Fortnite Battle Royale. Did you know that Fortnite Battle Royale's Tilted Towers was described by critics as the equivalent of psychological torture and being dropped into a meat grinder? Elijah Hewson. Did you know that Elijah Hewson's band Inhaler UK No. 1 debut album charted 51 places higher than the debut album of Bono's Bandu? Platt Report 1964. Did you know that the Platt Report 1964 was commissioned to improve British nursing education, as at the time up to 50% of trainee nurses failed to qualify? Julia Dorsey athlete. Did you know that in 2022, Julia Dorsey helped North Carolina Tar Heels win 2022 NCAA Division I Women's Lacrosse Tournament and reach 2022 NCAA Division I Women's Soccer Championship game? Clipperton Island case. Did you know that it took the King of Italy 22 years to decide Clipperton Island case? Kalmia Club. Did you know that the Kalmia Club is named after the Kalmia latifolia? Martina Fernandez footballer. Did you know that Martina Fernandez plays football for SC Barcelona Femen and studies part-time at a biomedical laboratory? Southern Water. Did you know that Southern Water was fined and million for deliberately sewage discharge in the United Kingdom into the sea? Princess Zelda. Did you know that Princess Zelda's name was inspired by American novelist and socialite Zelda Fitzgerald? Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings. Did you know that a bus chase sequence in Shang-Chi and the Legend of the Ten Rings took more than a year to plan and was revised more than 20 times? Al Sweet. Did you know that cornetist Al Sweet dressed his band, the White Hussars, in flashy white and gold military uniforms based on hussars? Episode 400 Neighbours. Did you know that episode 400 of Neighbours features the serial's first ever Christmas story? Bucharest. Did you know that a street in Bucharest was once named after Ioni Tunsu, an outlaw who used to visit his girlfriend there? If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications.